Hi there, this is Ethan Thomas, and I'm here to demo my Juice plugin. The way I've set this up is that all the audio you'll be hearing is outputted from the plugin, so you're not hearing anything directly from my mic. That's including me talking right now. So first I'll demo the gain adjustment functionality. So if you listen, I'm just gonna hold a tone. Uh, so hopefully you were able to hear um, the difference in gain as I adjust the slider. I can also adjust my pitch like this. As you can hear, I'm kind of pitched up. Um, yeah, so this pitch takes me up an octave, and it's kind of a binary. Either 0, the pitch adjustment is off, or 1, it's on. Originally, I played around with different options, taking you up and down different amounts, but turns out that it didn't sound too great using the algorithm that I was using. Um, yeah, but the pitch shift still works, as you can hear, and I sound like a chipmunk. Now I've also implemented the Car Plus Strong algorithm, similarly to how it was implemented on web audio in the web audio demo. So I will stop talking and let you listen to this Car Plus Strong output. So yeah, as you can hear, the Car Plus Strong algorithm works successfully. So that was my plugin. Thank you for watching.